Plant FAQs. Begonia Jive. Begonia Jive, the vibrant houseplant with style. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm obsessed with begonias, especially the stunning Begonia Jive. This Rex begonia variety is a showstopper with its unique foliage and compact form. Let's delve into everything you need to know about bringing this beauty into your home. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Jive? The Begonia Jive is a captivating Rex begonia known for its mesmerizing leaves. Bred by Dutch horticulturist Antoon Hoefnagels, it boasts a compact growth habit, making it ideal for smaller spaces. What does a Begonia Jive look like? The magic lies in the foliage. Begonia Jive features medium-sized chartreuse leaves, a vibrant lime green with a hint of yellow. These beauties are edged with a rich chocolate brown, creating a stunning contrast. But wait, there's more. The leaf margins are adorned with tiny white hairs, adding a delicate touch. The overall effect is like a miniature work of art, bringing a touch of the tropics indoors. Does Begonia Jive flower? Yes, but the flowers are not the main attraction. Begonia Jive produces delicate light pink flowers on slender stems that rise above the foliage during spring. While pretty, the flowers are short-lived and can be removed to maintain the plant's energy for stunning leaf production. Begonia Jive versus other begonias. With so many begonia varieties, you might wonder how Jive compares. Here's a quick breakdown. Begonia Rex. The Rex begonia family is known for their decorative foliage, and Jive certainly lives up to that reputation. Its compact size sets it apart from some larger Rex begonias that might overwhelm smaller spaces. Begonia Escargot. Another Rex begonia with captivating leaves, Escargot boasts a spiral pattern in shades of silver, green, and burgundy. It's a beautiful choice, but Jive offers a more contrasting color combination. Begonia Tiger Stripes. This begonia features green leaves with bold yellow stripes, making a bold statement. Jive offers a more subtle elegance with its chocolate brown edging. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the aesthetic you're aiming for. Is Begonia Jive easy to care for? Absolutely. With its moderate needs, Begonia Jive is a great choice for both beginner and experienced plant parents. How to care for Begonia Jive. Bringing out the best in your Begonia Jive is easy peasy. Here's what this beauty needs to thrive. Light. Bright, indirect light is key. Avoid harsh sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are perfect. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Begonia Jive appreciates humidity. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Temperature. Aim for moderate temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, light potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month can be beneficial. Is Begonia Jive toxic? Unfortunately, yes. Like many begonias, Begonia Jive is toxic to pets and humans if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious creatures and young children. Where can I buy a Begonia Jive? Many online plant retailers and local nurseries offer Begonia Jive. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Begonia Jive, a touch of the tropics indoors. With its captivating foliage and compact size, Begonia Jive is a true gem for any houseplant collection. By providing the right care, you can enjoy this tropical beauty for years to come. So, why not add a touch of the tropics to your home with a stunning Begonia Jive?